Before you start, make sure both your LG Smart TV and your Apple device, iPhone or iPad, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your LG TV, go to Settings Network Wi-Fi Connection and confirm the network name. On your iPhone/iPad, open Settings Wi-Fi and check that it matches the one on your TV. AirPlay will only work if both devices are on the exact same network. Different routers or guest networks can block the connection. Press the Home or Settings button on your LG TV remote to open the Home dashboard. Navigate to the AirPlay icon. It usually looks like a rectangle with an upward arrow, and select it. This will take you to the AirPlay screen. From here, click on AirPlay and HomeKit settings. In the Settings menu, ensure AirPlay is toggled on. Optional, under Require Code, you can choose to ask for a passcode every time or only on the first connection. This adds a layer of security. On your iPhone/iPad, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Tap the screen mirroring icon, 2 overlapping rectangles. A list of available AirPlay devices will appear. Select your LG TV from this list. Look at your LG TV screen for the passcode. On your iPhone/iPad, a prompt will appear asking for the code. Type in the code exactly as it appears on your TV and hit OK. This prevents strangers on the same Wi-Fi from streaming to your TV. Your iPhone or iPad screen will instantly mirror on your LG TV. You can now open apps like Photos, Safari, Netflix, or YouTube on your iPhone and they'll show up on the big screen. To end mirroring, swipe down again, tap Screen Mirroring and then tap Stop Mirroring. No TV showing up? Restart your TV and iPhone, ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi, and reopen Control Center. Laggy connection? Move closer to the router or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if possible. Audio only? Some apps have their own AirPlay icon. Try tapping that inside the app instead of mirroring the whole screen.